Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech How To. Get all answers to your how to questions. Today we are going to see that how to create an image sliders for the social media, because social media the sliders बहुत ज़्यादा famous नहीं and engaging भी बहुत होते हैं. So we will be seeing that how to create this type of slider in the Canva. And also this video will be in two parts. In first part we will be creating this type of content or slider in the Canva, and in next video I will be showing you how to post this slider by splitting this slider into the pieces and then post to the social media. Okay, let's get started. For that you have to open the Canva. For that you will be opening Google Chrome and typing here Canva. Sorry. So guys, my Canva account is opened. So the first step is for creating the slider is just set the size. Okay, for a single image I have recommended you the size, that is width into height equal to 1080 into 1080. Okay, but for if for 5 images you will be doing like fix the height. Okay, so height will be same. Okay, height change नहीं होएगी, that is 8080 1080 ही रहेगी, but width will be changed. Okay, width will be number of images into 1080. Okay, for example I will be creating 5 images, then size will be 1080 into 5 into 1080. Okay, that is this will be the height and this will be the width. Okay, width I will be writing for you. Okay, 1080 into 5. Okay, and height is 1080. Okay, let me calculate what will be the 1080 into 5, that is 5400. Okay, will be 5400. Okay, so this you if you are create if you are creating slider of 5 images, then size is equal to 54 into 1080. Okay, this will be the height 1080 and this will be the width 5400. Okay, in this way you will be setting the site. Firstly you have to, if you are creating the single post, means ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ post create ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਪੇਜ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ width ਹੋਏਗੀ 1080 into 1080. ਬਟ ਫੋਰ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ width 5 ਇਮੇजेस ਦਾ ਸਲਾਈਡਰ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਹਾਈਟ ਤਾਂ ਸੇਮ ਰਹੇਗੀ 1080, ਬਟ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਦੇ 5 ਇਮੇजेस ਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ 1080 ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਵਿਡਥ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ 5400 ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਹਾਈਟ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ 1080. ਲੈਟ ਮੀ ਸੈਟ ਦੀ ਸਾਈਜ਼. ਓਕੇ, custom this is 5400 and 180. Okay, create a new design. See, this type of thing will be appear, means we have created this whole box, rectangle box. Okay, now the next step is to divide the slider into the 5 sizes. For that you have to click the file option and show ruler. Okay, in this way you will be getting the ruler. For that, if first this from this just take some. Okay, from this click here and drag. Okay, firstly you will be stopping at 1080. Okay, 1080, where is, let me set the size. Okay, 108. Yeah, here itself, okay, somewhat near this. Oh yeah, 1080. Okay, next size will be, let me calculate for you, 10880 into 2, but will be 21860. Okay, that is 21860. Let me drag first and 2160, this, yeah, this one. Okay, leave this. Then next is 1080 into 3, that is 3240. Okay, for that drag 3240, somewhat like yeah, 3240. Okay, now then fourth theme is 1080 into 4, that is 43220. Okay, 4320, drag 4320, yeah, and next will be automatically 5400. Okay, no need to set. For now, for making the effective, you have to alternatively change the color. Okay, it means red, you have black, here you will be choosing the white or gray. Okay, in this way I will be choosing. Okay, for that you have to select the frame. Okay, from here you will be choosing square. Okay, typing square, be choosing. Okay, yeah, for this I will be choosing red. Okay, then just click and control C and control V. Okay, and this one, sorry, and this. Okay, साइज तुसी मतलब ध्यान नाल सैट करियो क्योंकि अगे आप स्प्लिट करांगे तो उत्थे प्रॉब्लम आएगी अपन नो, एंड द लुक विल बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. ओके, अदरवाइज या, now I will be choosing the color of this two black. Okay, see, we have created half of this slider ready. Okay, now you will be just, first step is just branding. Okay, your means ਤੁਸੀਂ post ਕਰੋਗੇ ਨਾ, ਕੋਈ copyright ना कर ले, कोई copy ना कर ले, for that you have, your branding must be there. Okay, my branding is web of land, so I will be adding the text, this one. Okay, I will be typing here www.weboflens.com. Okay, see, I will be setting the size from this one. Yeah, see, set here at the bottom. Okay, now just control C and control V. I will be changing the color afterwards. Just control C and control V. See, now I will be changing the color of this text color. Okay, select the text and this A, from this you will be changing the color. Okay, so next step is give the numbers to the images. Okay, if you are posting the, but I am not posting like this. Okay, but for you I will be adding numbers. Okay, this one, numbers. Okay, graphics, choose the numbers according to your wish. Okay, I will be choosing this one so that we can save our time. Any of the number you can choose. Okay, okay, then this will be not editable, so I will be choosing 2. Change the color somewhat small because we have to add the other text also. And these lines will be shown. Okay, कि अपना सही है कि नहीं, these lines will be alignment. Okay, कि अपना सही आ रहा है कि नहीं, उधर parallel, they will be indicated. So next is 4. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਕੈਨਵਾ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟੈਪ ਬਾਈ ਸਟੈਪ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਆਏ ਹੈਗੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਵਾਚ ਕੀਤਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਲੀ ਵਾਚ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਕੈਨਵਾ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਵਾਚ ਕਰਿਓ। ਓਕੇ, yeah, it will be taking some time. Okay, yeah, now let's just find. See, now I will be typing the best 5 books. Okay, for that I will be choosing this text. Okay, now 5 top books to read. Okay, you can add anything according to your post. Okay, I will be setting here, and to give the engaging effect you have to add some characters like this. Okay, this means emotions, you have to show the emotions. Okay, for that you can type here I will be typing 3D characters. Okay, that will be very cool for you. 3D, yeah, 3D, sorry, yeah. See, this type of graphics you will be getting here. If you don't like, then change this to humans. I guess that will be better. Yeah, this type of. Okay, I will be choosing this. Now just add to this at the center. Okay, so that ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਸਲਾਈਡਰ ਮੂਵ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਡੀਅנס ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਇਫੈਕਟਿਵ ਜਾਂ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਆਵੇ. Okay, you will be setting this to somewhat like this and just set to this one. Okay, क्योंकि sorry, today in social media this is a very cool post. Okay, if you are adding this type of things. Now set at the center, just center of this human. Okay, just set this to somewhat this. Yeah, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਸੈੱਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਧਰਲੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਲੈ ਆਓ, ਸੋ ਦੈਟ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਨਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਇਹ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ. Okay, like this. Okay, you can add like this and just copy paste. If you want कि दो हो जान तो आप इन्हें भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. Okay, like this. इन तो सोनू सेंड करना पड़ेगा, हाँ ट्रेंडिंग है छोटी, so that it can be. Okay, this I hope you will be setting yourself. Yeah, now just copy paste this and this one to this and this to this. Okay, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਐਂ ਹੀ ਰਹਿਣ ਦਿਓ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੋਈ ਸਲਾਈਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ. ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਲਾਈਡਸ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵਿਚਾਲੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਦੇਣ ਲਈ. Okay, let me, here you can add the names of the book. Okay, in this slide. Okay, let me copy paste this fastly. Set the color from this, means like book 1, here book 1 and copy paste, control C control V, and book 2, yeah, and book 3 and you will be adding one slide more. Okay, I have created only 1 2 3 4 5. Now you will be adding 6. If you want to add 6, I will be changing the heading from this. Okay, 4. See, I have created this type of slider in this content. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗਲੀ ਸੈੱਟ ਕਰ ਲਿਓ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਜੋਬ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਟਾਈਪ ਦੇ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਸ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬਣਦੇ ਨੇ ਕੈਨਵਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਓਕੇ, ਐਟ ਦੀ ਐਂਡ ਯੂ ਵਿਲ be putting the CTA. Okay, CTA means कि call to action, means user ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇਸ post ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਕਰੇਗੀ, means. Okay, for that you will be typing that save it, share it, or DM us which book you will be liking or reading in future, okay, like this type of, okay. So in hope you will be hope you have learned how to make this type of sliders or image sliders in both your social media, and please ਲਾਈਕ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਐਂਡ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਿਓ। ਐਂਡ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਤੱਕ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇਮੇਜਿਸ ਸਲਾਈਡਰ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ, ਬਟ ਇਨ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਸ਼ੋਇੰਗ ਹਾਊ ਟੂ ਪੋਸਟ ਦਿਸ ਸਲਾਈਡਰ ਬਾਈ ਸਪਲਿਟਿੰਗ ਇਨਟੂ ਦੀ ਪੀਸਿਸ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਇਹ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਸਲਾਈਡਰ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਪਲਿਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏਗਾ। ਸੋ ਫॉर that we will be using one tool and posting over the social media. Thank you for listening me, and please like share and comment करना ना भूलिए, and how to questions post कर दे रही हो so that we can make an interesting stuff for you. Thank you so much for this.